In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on Phantom. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom application. Then go ahead and go to the top menu and select on this button that says buy. Go ahead and select on Solana. Solana is the most optimal one for Phantom. So let's go ahead and press on it like so. And from here, go ahead and enter the amount of Solana that you would like to purchase. Keep in mind that you will need to purchase a minimum of $5 worth of Solana. Then what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on credit and debit card. So over here, we need to go ahead and select on how we're going to be paying. So we could use all of these different options over here. For this video, I'm just going to be using my credit and debit card. And if you are paying with a credit and debit card, you will need some providers. So I do have a few providers over here, but obviously you might have different ones. You could use Coinbase, Robinhood, but for this video, I'm just going to be clicking on Stripe just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and press on buy. And if it's your first time ever buying Solana, it is essentially going to make you sign into your provider like so. So I used Stripe, so that means I had to sign into my Stripe account, but then it is actually going to confirm all the detail and stuff like that. And once you're ready, go ahead and press on continue. And just like that, you have now purchased Solana on your Phantom wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.